Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Crypto.com price prediction in Crypto.com news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Crypto.com in 2022. Cronos (CRO) is the native cryptocurrency token of Cronos Chain, a decentralized open-source blockchain developed by the Crypto.com payment, trading and financial services company. Cronos Chain is one of the products in Crypto.com's lineup of solutions designed to accelerate the global adoption of cryptocurrencies as a means of increasing personal control over money, safeguarding user data and protecting users' identities. The CRO blockchain serves primarily as a vehicle that powers the Crypto.com Pay mobile payments app. In the future, Crypto.com plans to expand the reach of the CRO platform to power its other products as well. CRO went live in November-December 2018. Cronos was launched by the Crypto.com company as part of its vision of putting cryptocurrency in every wallet. Crypto.com itself was founded in June 2016 as Monaco Technologies GmbH by Chris Morselek, Rafael Milo, Gary Orr and Bobby Bao. So let's start with the most important news of the past days. Analysis: what is VVS Finance, the largest project on Crypto.com's Cronos chain? Most people know Crypto.com is an exchange and wallet app competing with the likes of Kraken and Coinbase with a series of high-profile advertising campaigns. These include commercials featuring Matt Damon, a Super Bowl halftime spot with LeBron James, and naming rights to the former Staples Center. Most people know Crypto.com is an exchange and wallet app competing with the likes of Kraken and Coinbase with a series of high-profile advertising campaigns. These include commercials featuring Matt Damon, a Super Bowl halftime spot with LeBron James, and naming rights to the former Staples Center. However, the Singapore-based company has been doing much more since it launched Cronos, an EVM-compatible blockchain. Its DeFi ecosystem has grown steadily to $2.3 billion in TVL since it went live in November. VVS Protocol is the largest project on the Cronos chain, taking up 59% of its total TVL as of February 15. It's already the 7th largest DEX by TVL, currently behind Trader Joe, and just ahead of Osmosis. What is VVS Finance? VVS Finance is a DEX that provides the usual DeFi capabilities: swaps, liquidity pools, and staking. It stands for very simple finance, making its UVP clear. The platform aims to simplify DeFi. It does this through gamification and an easy-to-use interface. It also checks many of the boxes Footprint recommends you look at when assessing the health of a crypto project. Substantial initial market cap. VVS Finance's market cap jumped from $20 million to $170 million in the first couple of months since its launch, and has largely reflected the general market trends since then. Reasonable trading volume. VVS Finance's trading volume has mostly remained between 5% and 20% of its market cap. Price action. The price action of the protocol's token VVS is about as volatile as you would expect from a new DEX project and a new chain, but with no suspicious pumps. So why has the first AM on Cronos and a potential contender to be the next SushiSwap or PancakeSwap attracted so much controversy recently? VVS Finance's tokenomics are questionable. VVS's total circulating supply is 2 trillion, and its total supply is over 36 trillion, which will increase to 100 trillion over 10 years through its emissions schedule. For comparison, here are the leading DEX tokens' circulating supply figures, rounded to a million. SushiSwap: 127 million Sushi Uniswap. 632 million Unipancakeswap. 268 million Cake Balancer. 7 million BAL is the only major DEX token that is so inflationary. Note that Cake has no hard cap, but has deflationary mechanisms to keep the supply up. Crypto.com 2FA breach. It is now a widely known fact that the Crypto.com hackers got in by somehow managing to bypass the 2FA security measures on the site. However, what remains a mystery is how the attackers were able to do this. The exchange itself has not spoken on the mechanism implemented by these hackers, so we turn to experts in the space to shed light on how this was possible. Gleb Zykov, the co-founder and CTO of HashX, a blockchain security company that focuses on smart contract code auditing, shared with Bitcoinist how the hackers could have gotten into the system. 2FA authentication is a security measure that is triggered when a user logs in, creating a one-time password that matches the one created on the site. 2FA apps are usually on the user's phone, so only they have access to this code. How then were the hackers able to get in? Zykov explains that one of the ways to bypass this measure was using a Trojan. Basically, the attackers compromise users' devices with a Trojan, which will then intercept the user's credentials. The hacker is then able to access the user's account using the intercepted code to log into their account. 2FA can be vulnerable as well. The user's device can be compromised with a Trojan. The Trojan can intercept the user's credentials and the one-time password generated on the website. Then it can allow a hacker to log into the user's account or monitor the user's communication with the site. Gleb Zykov, co-founder and CTO, HashX. This would mean that individual users' accounts were compromised as opposed to the exchange's wallet itself, which is usually the case. The exchange has since asked users to reset their 2FA and log back into their accounts. Brian Poffield, CTO at Fringe Finance, also weighed in on the attack. Pansfield explains that the attackers most likely found a vulnerability in Crypto.com's security system. It could even be the encrypted reserve copies needed for the recovery of accounts created by the exchange's 2FA software, the CTO noted. This would have allowed them to access and steal funds from users' accounts on the exchanges. As for the time of the attack, it was still unclear as to how much the hackers got away with. This report from Wealthier Today states that around $15 million in ETH was said to be stolen, according to a report from PackShield. Others have speculated that it was much higher. Pseudonymous researcher Ergug posted that an additional 444 BTC was said to have been lost in the hack, bringing the total loss to around $33 million. Crypto.com corroborated this figure in a statement on Thursday that said that hackers had indeed made off with over 4K ETH, 443.93 BTC, and about $66K in other currencies. Crypto.com coin and our price prediction for the next couple of years is what we have for you in our video. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. As 2022 is just getting started, this is the perfect moment for some predictions. Any altcoin should be valued in the context of the overall market climate and performance of Bitcoin. First, let's see what it is before moving on to price predictions. We will try to answer these frequently asked questions. Is Crypto.com coin, CRO, a good investment? How much will Crypto.com coin be worth in 2025, or how much will Crypto.com coin be worth in 10 years? Price prediction for 2022. An impeccable approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Crypto.com coin will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2022, CRO is expected to peak at 66 cents. The minimum bet could go up to 56 cents if the market turns bullish. Price prediction for 2023. The value of Crypto.com coin will grow thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2023 is bullish. CRO is expected to reach a maximum rate of 95 cents by the end of 2023, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Crypto.com coin will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average CRO price will be between 81 cents and 84 cents expected in 2023 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum CRO price ranges from 81 cents to 95 cents for 2023. Price prediction for 2024. The current price range of Crypto.com coin may be of interest to many traders, and therefore CRO can reach $1.43 by 2024 with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $1.25 for 2024, it could beat the latest price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2024. Crypto.com price prediction for 2025. For a long-term Crypto.com coin price prediction, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As DApp and stablecoins evolve,